Ugo, where are you going to?
So where you they go now?
What do you mean you want to? I'm going to work. You want to follow me to work? Why?
I don't want to make you go now. They will come see me and taste your dimpa.
The what? The what?
Your dimpa.
Dimpa? What is dimpa? What is dimpa? What is dimpa?
You don't know dimpa.
Alright, I'm listening. What is dimpa?
Dimpa.
Omoga, make you pack your dimpa, go inside. When nobody tastes our dimpa. My country people, how that day. This Sonia don't go buy me. Seriously. See the way he just raise hand say, your dimpa too heavy. I don't want to make another person, carry my dimpa. This movie is everything and more. Like, when I know say for my page, no document at all. I know they bring updates or anything when no they benefit my people. If you watch this one, you go they laugh. This one is just more of hilarious scenes. Like, I will allow to make una watch before I continue.
It's not well in the car. I forgot my wallet. Oh, it's just on the table. So yes, thank you. Ugo?
No, Mama.
How are you?
It's fine.
I have somewhere very important I need to be this morning.
Where you they go now? Today na Saturday.
Yes, I know. Today is Saturday. I want to have a discussion with Martin, so we need to just hang out somewhere, have a brief talk, and then I'll come back.
Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, wash my hands. How could it go?
You want to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. You're not done with your house chores, so don't worry, carry on. Probably next time you join me.
I don't do the ones where they do finish. Now this one, if I come back, I will finish them.
Okay. Okay. So if you want to go out with me, is this not how you go out with me?
This one, I straight them with iron for inside room before I come to make I do my work, because I didn't see if you say you want to not that go for you.
You're serious? This is what you want to wear and then go out with me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine.
Alright. So go inside the bedroom, get my wallet, and then let's go.
I talk I know say every time if they come out, they forget your wallet. So when they come in for kitchen, make I wash plates. I say make I put am for my pocket in case you say you won't come out and you forget that. You keep it hold on.
You have my wallet?
Yes. Look, I keep this one for you. Look at the good.
Okay, she don't want to do makeup?
No, my face is fine like this. My face is fine.
You're okay?
Yes.
And then you want us to go out? Frank, what's up?
This is sweet very
How you want to make I take drink am? Which one make I drink am with style? Stop to embarrass you. Everything every time you do with style, I'm not sabi any style anything.
Come on, Frank. I know how. Allow me free. Martins, please. Martins, mind your business. Yeah, mind your business. What is it, Frank?
If you don't want to make I drink the drink, I will leave am for you.
See, the worst feeling anybody can have is going out with your partner and the person is ashamed of you in front of his or her friends. Like, why will you be ashamed of me? Hello? Allow me to be free. Make I dey do anything where I want. Leave our so abeg. Hey guys, you need to watch this particular one. This is so different from the usual.